Today we're going to be working in Robin Hood and Little John, down from 33 to the end. What I want you to notice is at 33, there's a double bar line. And then right after that double bar line, they've put a natural sign on your F, wherever your F sharp was previously. So that natural sign is telling us that we are now going to use F natural and C natural for the rest of the song. So find your first note at measure 37. It's a C. And for violin, viola, cello, it's down on the G string. For basses, it's on the A string. Bass, please make sure you use a second finger for that C. Violin, viola, cello, and bass, as we transition over onto the D string, please make sure you're playing F natural. Double check and play your F natural twice. Make sure it sounds like mine. So here we are at 37. Set up that low C note, and here we are going to try it together. 3, 4, and. Natural F. So it sounds a lot like the melody that we played up above. But let's do it again because it's down on a lower set of strings and lower set of notes with naturals. Here we go again. 3, 4, and. Natural. Natural. Half note, half note. Find measure 43, and we're going to practice the C natural over to the G, and then the G to A, G to F, the slurs with the string crossing. Okay, and remember it's F natural too. That's going to be another tricky part. Here we are at 43. Let's try it together. 3, 4. 1, 2, over to C. Basses, that's that second finger. Everybody else, it's that third or fourth finger on that G string. Here we go again at 43. 3, 4. String crossing slurs. Long bow crossover. One more time. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now let's back up to 41 and play up to where we just practiced. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Slow, slur. C natural. String crossing. 1, 2, 3. One more time at 41. You are welcome to do the double set of notes, that double stop. Just roll your bow to both strings. 3, 4. Slow, slur. Natural. 1, 2, 3. Find the line that has the big 41 in it and go all the way to the end of the line for the last two notes. It's a G and an F natural, and then goes on to the next line with eighth notes. Let's practice jumping down between those two lines. So last two notes of that line. 2 and 3 and. And then a slur up to C natural. Let's do that again. So those eighth notes are on count 4, and that's why I said 2 and 3 and then we play on 4. Here we go again. Remember F natural. 2 and 3 and. Slur, C natural. One more time. G to F natural. 2 and 3 and. start in the same place and play all the way to the end of the piece. But I just want to point out the rests that take up the entire measure, those whole rests. I know they're a whole rest because there's nothing else in the measure, but also because they are hanging below the fourth line of the staff. So let's set up our instrument, and remember it's G, F natural, and I will count those rests out loud. So here we are, playing to the end. 2 and 3 and. C natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C natural. Let's do the same thing one more time. Pull that F natural back already so you're set with it. 2 and 3 and. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. We're going to play from 37 to the end. Do your best to try to remember all those F naturals and C naturals. Set that C note up, get the bow on the string, and here we go. 3, 4, and. One, two, three, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. 3, 4, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Slow slur. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.